OneSearch is a user-friendly tool to help you quickly access books, articles in magazines, newspapers, and scholarly journals, and more. Just the sorts of sources your professors would prefer you use when doing work for their classes. To access OneSearch, start at the library's homepage. You can't miss it. You'll be typing your search in this box. Let's try a simple search now on the important issue of plagiarism, specifically relating to college students and the ease of using the internet for cutting and pasting. We'll keep it simple and just use the most important keywords in our search. Plagiarism, college students, internet, and hit search. Let's take a look at what we got. 2,619 items, a little of everything. The center column here has the description of the items retrieved. This column to the left is sorting those 2,619 items. These are called facets. Apparently, 1,479 of these are peer-reviewed journal articles. More types of materials are listed below. Let's take a look. Subjects will often be the words you typed in, but sometimes you'll get ideas for other words to use in searching. Most are self-explanatory. Author, publication date, language. Okay, let's scroll back up and take a look now at the two most common types of materials retrieved, which happen to be the first two items in our search results. The first one here is an article, apparently from a peer-reviewed journal. Notice the green note that says the full text of this article should be available. To actually get to the full text, however, you need to click there where it says Find it at SCU. Find it at SCU really does help you find it. Different things can happen at this point, so you'll need to read what is in this box very carefully. The happiest scenario is in fact the one we're looking at here when it says go to the article and then provide you with hot links below. Those hot links will hopefully take you to the article. Let's click on one. Notice it opens another window or another tab. Doesn't work 100% of the time, but there you go. You'll notice there's a link to the PDF of the full text of the article. Okay, let's go back now to our OneSearch results, this tab here, and take a closer look at the second item. The second item is a book. Notice the call number. Unfortunately, that isn't quite enough detail to actually put your hands on the book. If you really want this book, you need to click where it says Locations. Then click yet again where it says University Library. Once again, another window opens, another tab. What you're looking at here is a record in the library catalog called Oscar. It's a complete description of the book. There's a couple things you need to notice if you actually want this book. One is location there, which tells you exactly where the book is. In this case, it's in two places. Not because there's two copies, but because it's in two parts, a book and a CD. These two locations are, in fact, the two most common locations for all of our books and videos. Lower level main stacks, all those bookcases in the basement, and the ARS, the Automated Retrieval System, which you could view from the second floor of the library. And lucky you, both are available. Should they not be available, you could click over there where it says Search Link Plus. That allows you to request a copy of the book from another library, but that's another story entirely. Well, that should be enough to get you started using OneSearch to find library resources for your research.